Hi, I'm Brian Vaughn, President and COO of Shipshape IT.
I'm Sam Abramson, Chairman and CEO of Shipshape IT, founded in 2010.
One of the biggest misperceptions that we see in the market for small business and nonprofit IT support is this notion of certain elements of your IT support being optional. Offsite data backup is not an option. It's something that any responsible IT provider should be providing as a core element of their service. Offsite data storage doesn't do you any good if it's sitting in a box when your office burns down. You need to be able to access it.
We protect data regardless of whether it's on a PC, a laptop, or a server. Wherever the data needs to be protected, we're there. We recently had a client executive accidentally spill coffee into her IBM ThinkPad. She had been wanting to move to a MacBook. The ThinkPad was gone, the data was gone, and what we ended up doing was furnishing the new MacBook and restoring her data there. She was on a PC and she moved from a Windows environment to a Mac environment, but that's okay because our backup system is multi-platform. We support Windows, we support Mac, we support Linux. Another example relates to a server. We recently had a client who had a major server failure. They did not have the hardware on hand to replace the failed components, and they needed the system to be up and running right away. So using our standard backup systems, we redeployed the system as a virtual machine in our data center, got things up and running the same day, and they were off to the races.
The important notion we want to communicate to the market is that no backup solution is 100% effective 100% of the time. So you need more than one. Shipshape IT takes this strategy to an exponent by ensuring 2 different locations for file-based backups and then also 2 different file backup locations for what we call your image-based data.
This provides 4 opportunities to restore data if needed. And even if one site is compromised by an event such as theft or fire, you still have 2 opportunities to restore data at the alternate site. When it comes to cloud-hosted systems, I'll tell you something that not many cloud providers will tell you, and that's that you should maintain a physical copy of your cloud-hosted data. This is something that we recommend to our clients and that we implement for them as well.